First, crack open your municipal supply line ball valve to allow water to slowly flow into the system. Next, press down on the red air valve on the top of each of the carbon filter covers to bleed any pressure out of the system, and release once a water stream is emitted from the valve. Next, turn the 480 main disconnect switch on the front of the enclosure to the on position and wait for the system to power up. Tap the HMI and wait for the overview screen to be displayed. Press the stop button, followed by the manual button, to put the system into manual mode. Navigate to the air valve testing page by pressing the square in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, open valves A and C. This allows water to flow through the main production pump. With valves A and C open, loosen the production pump priming vent plug with a 10mm wrench until you see a constant stream of water before closing the vent plug again. While priming your production pump, allow water to partially fill the tank. Once you've primed your production pump, close valves A and C. Loosen the repressurization pump priming vent plug with a 10mm wrench until you see a constant stream of water before closing the plug again. Return to the overview screen and ensure the system is in manual mode. Next, navigate to the maintenance screen. Before turning the tank transfer on, ensure your RO rain bar and RO mirror rinse solenoids are open in your wash. Now, turn on the tank transfer. After starting the tank transfer, reprime the repressurization pump while it is running. Allow the tank to drain to roughly 15% before stopping the tank transfer to remove any residual air. After stopping the tank transfer, fully open your municipal supply line ball valve. Finally, return to the overview screen and press the start button. The system will now initialize and you'll be able to see the differential pressure across the filters as well as the pump performance. At the top of the screen, you can see the current GPM flow rate of the system. Once you've put your system into start mode, purge your main production pump again. This will remove any excess air stuck in the impellers. It will take a few hours of operation for the RO TDS to drop below 20. It's recommended the initial RO production be dumped to the drain until the TDS is at normal operating levels.